Unraveling the mystery of melee. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into a word that you might have heard in movies, video games, or even read in literature: melee. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in different contexts. Melee, pronounced melee, is a noun that originated from the French word mêlée. In English, it refers to 1. A confused fight or scuffle that involves multiple people. Think of scenes in movies where a bar fight breaks out, and everyone is involved. 2. A chaotic situation where a lot is happening at once and it's hard to distinguish individual elements. Example: the sale became a melee with shoppers rushing to grab the best deals. Now that we understand the definition, let's look at how to use melee in different sentences. 1. The peaceful protest turned into a melee when some agitators started causing trouble. 2. Children ran in all directions at the park, their laughter and shouting creating a joyful melee. As you can see, while the word primarily has a connotation of chaos, it's not always negative. It can sometimes represent an energetic, vibrant situation. Understanding synonyms is an excellent way to enrich your vocabulary. Here are some synonyms for melee. Brawl. This usually implies a noisy, uncontrolled fight, often in public. Fray. Used to describe a battle or fight, but can also mean a competition or challenge. Tumult. This captures the essence of disorder and commotion. Example: after the match, fans from both teams got into a brawl, causing a massive tumult outside the stadium. We've come to the end of our journey exploring the term melee. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, English is a rich and diverse language, and every word has its own unique story. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.